Hey guys, Shaun again. Anyways, I picked up a box of 1516 ice. I just broke open the box already to save a little bit of time on a video here. But anyways, done these many times before. 8 packs per box. Always going after those Connor McDavid hits. Not much success so far, I might add. Not recently, anyway. Oh boy. Yeah. There we are. We got a nice Premier Retro on this one. Okay, Robbie Fabry. 224 out of 799. Base. Oh boy. This one feels flat. I'm wondering about probably a jersey or maybe an exquisite rookie of some kind. Okay, Daniel Sprong. Okay, Steven Stamkos. Frozen Fabrics. So there's your jersey kit out of the box. Oh boy, these packs are being stubborn today, let me tell you. There we are. Okay, looks like the exquisite is in here. Okay, Nick Shore, exquisite rookie, 42 out of 399. Okay, we haven't gotten a regular Ice Premier rookie yet. Hopefully we'll get something good here in this box here yet. Definitely haven't been getting mine. Definitely hasn't been a great box so far. Okay, base. Okay, Keegan Lowe, 1194 out of 1999. Yeah, haven't been having good luck lately in these 15-16 number ice boxes. I got an eBay coupon last week. Okay, we got another nice premieres here. Okay, base. Radek Faksa. Okay, 4-1 out of 1999. Okay, we have 3 packs left. Oh boy, please let us get one big hit here. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, we have a thick card of some kind. Another jersey card, maybe? Oh, okay. It's Frozen Foursome. Max Zuccarello, Kevin Hayes, Derek Stepan, and Henrik Lundqvist. Oh boy, that jersey's even kind of damaged on Lundqvist there. Oh boy, I really hope that's not the big hit out of the box. Looking like it might be. Could get an autograph too. Okay, Radek Faksa, 475 out of 499. That's your autograph, unfortunately. Oh boy, this is looking like it might be ugly. Okay, we got an Ice Premier here. Oh, please let this be a good Ice Premier. And it isn't. Peter Straka, 767 out of 1999. Oh boy, that was a pretty ugly box. That wasn't worth staying up late for. So, anyways, Peter Straka, Ice Premier. Radek Faksa, autograph. Frozen Foursome of Max Zuccarello, Kevin Hayes, Derek Stepan, and Henrik Lundqvist. Radek Faksa, Ice Premier rookie. Keegan Lowe, Ice Premier rookie. Nick Shore, Exquisite Collection. Steven Stamkos, Frozen Fabric. Daniel Sprong, Global Impact. Robbie Fabry, Ice Premiers. Oh boy, that was an ugly box. But anyways, guys, you know the drill. Smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and my eBay's at 383Shaun. My blog is on steemit.com at @ShaunGiro. I'm on Facebook at ShaunsCollectibles and Bittube at ShaunsCollectibles without an apostrophe or a space. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.